young adults who are transitioning out of high school and wondering, what am I going to do? And so it gives them another option, another program that they can go into so they can receive some vital job skill training. And then the main goal is to obtain employment at the end of this one-year program.
I'm thankful for Miss Vicky and Miss Zoe giving me this opportunity to work at Project Search for Rossbridge, to show my my performance in here, especially at banquet and upstairs, because I have full of energy, and it's just been really amazing.
I think a very important aspect of the Project Search program is that we train our students here at Rossbridge, but what we're doing is we're preparing them to have the transferable skills they need to get a job anywhere. It's certainly not guaranteed that our students will be employed at Rossbridge. Of course, it does happen, but Allie, for example, she's been working in the dining room. She waits tables, she rolls silverware polishes. She can do that anywhere. Roman here, he's been learning how to be a bellman. He can go do that at any other hotel. It's about taking these skills, transferring them into a real paying competitive job and a high quality of life.
My hopes for Project Search is that we will equip these young adults with the skills that they need to obtain and maintain successful employment in areas that they're interested in, and that they will enjoy the world of work.